Assalamu alaikum dear kids. How are you all? Okay, now it's time to do our maths work. We will do maths work now. For this you have to take out your countdown maths book. Okay, you have to take out your countdown maths book. First we will do book work. Okay, first we are going to do book works. So take out page number 7 of your book. You have to take out page number 7. Okay, on this page what we are going to do, let's see. Okay, we have to circle the bigger number. Circle the bigger number. Now what is the meaning of bigger? Bigger means bada. Bigger means bada. Number means counting numbers. Okay, we have to circle bigger number. Okay, understand? So let's do. Okay, here it is done. Already it is done. So we will do second one. Look at this picture. Now how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. They have written 4 over here, and in this 1, 2, 2 balls here. 4 balls, 2 balls. So 4 is bigger or 2 is bigger? Yes, 4 is bigger than 2. 2 is smaller than 4. So 4 is bigger number. So you will circle number 4. Okay. Next is shells. Here are some shells. 1, 2. 2 shells. 1 shell. 2 shells. 1 shell. So 2 is bigger or 1 is bigger? Yes, 2 is bigger. 2 is bigger than 1. So we will circle 2. And 1 is smaller. Here are some candies. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candies. And 1, 2, 3 candies are here. 5 candies, 3 candies. 5 candies, 3 candies. Now which number is bigger? Yes, 5 is bigger number. So you will circle 5 number here. And 3 is smaller. 3 is smaller than 5. 5 is a bigger number. 3 is a smaller number. So understand? In this way you have to circle the bigger number. Okay, now the second question is circle the smaller number. Now we have to circle smaller number. In this we have to circle. We have done a bigger number. We circled bigger number, and now what we have to do in this question, we have to circle the smaller number. So 1 is done for you already. So we will do next. Now here is written 4 and 7. 4 and 7. So which number is smaller? Yes, 4 number is smaller. 4 number is smaller. So you will circle number 4. Because 7 is a bigger number. 7 is a bigger number and 4 is a smaller number. So you will circle 4 here. And next number is 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Which number is smaller? Yes, 3 number is smaller. So you will circle number 3. And next 1, 5. 1, 5. Now in this 1 is smaller number. 1 is a smaller number. So you will circle 1. Next number is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now 2 is a smaller number. So you will circle 2 because 3 is a bigger number. 9, 3. 9, 3. Now 3 is a smaller number. So you will circle number 3. In this way you have to circle number. Here is number 4, 2. 4, 2. Now which number is smaller? 2 number is smaller. So you will circle number 2 like this. Okay, in this way you have to done this page, you have to do this page. Okay, and now we will do our copy work. We have to do our copy work now. Okay, for this you have to take out your copies, your maths copies. Okay, first of all you have to ready the page. You have to ready your page. Draw a margin line. On both sides you have to draw a margin line. Then you have to write down date. What date is today? 30th April 2021. Day is Friday. Day is Friday. You have to write date and the day. Then our topic is counting. Okay, counting from 21 to 30. From 21 to 30. We have already done counting from 1 to 20. We have already done in our previous lectures. So today we will do counting from 21 to 30. So let's start. First, as you know, you have to write TO. Tens, ones. I have told you before what is the meaning of tens and ones, why we write this. Okay, so first is 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Again, read with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. In this way, you have to do this work on your neat copies. Okay, you have to do this work. You have to write this counting in your neat copies with neat and clean writing. Okay, you have to do this work neat and clean. Okay, and you have to write this counting twice. Twice you have to write this counting. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.